Oh, right. I like to talk to everyone a little bit about the BigTreeTech cryo grip plates, especially this Frostbite plate. Um, Before I bought this plate, I was using the stock Bambu plate, PEI. I was having to put glue stick on it for almost everything. Some NPA, whatever you want to talk, you know, I was having to do it. And about a few weeks ago, they had a sale on these, and I decided, what the heck, I'm gonna go ahead and pick one up. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one up, and I also picked up the Glacier plate, but I've only used this plate so far because I don't really print anything other than a PLA. But I did start printing some PETG on here, and I would just like to say this is probably the best plate that I have ever used. I mean, stuff comes off pretty easily. I mean, you do have to bend the plate a little bit, but this is the floppy cookie from Bearded Printer. Um, Probably have a link for the model down below somewhere. I don't know. Um, this is pretty much an impromptu thing that I'm doing, but anyways, as you can see, uh, you know, it prints pretty good. These floppy prints like this tend to move around. On this plate, I don't have it. If I want to go cooler on the plate, I can. I mean, I've done the 50, it's rated 30 to 50C for PLA, 50 to 70 for PETG. And this, if you look right here, this right here is so for your nozzle. So that way it's not rubbing the surface here and eating it away like it does on the Bambu plates, which is really nice. So you're not getting this material shoved in your nozzle if it flakes off. But it's got, little handle right here like the Bambu plate. But the nice thing is it sticks. Before I bought these plates, I was using Vision Miner, NPA. I was using a bunch of glue stick and stuff. No more. All I do is clean this plate if it needs cleaned, and that's pretty much it. I mean, as you can see, it this thing sticks. I mean, you see me wobbling that? On this same side, I printed this model right here, and it took up a lot of the build plate. And this is in a PETG Polymaker, and I pretty much filled up this entire plate. And yeah, I did not even clean it after I used this print right here. And you can see this is a PLA print. I mean, it's just metallic gold from Polymaker and Nebula purple from Flashforge. Look how good this is sticking. I mean, PLA and PETG do not stick well together. And a lot of times you'll use them PETG or PLA for supports for each other, and but you don't blend them in the prints because they don't work well together. But as you can see, this right here didn't even leave any residue on this side from this guy right here. So, a lot of times you don't use the same build plate as you do for PETG. And usually you put the glue on there so that it doesn't stick to the plate, ruin the plate. You can clean it off, and then whenever you go to reapply some whatever you want, you got your PLA, you just print it. You don't have to worry about stuck on residue from this. But as you can see, this right here, it stuck phenomenally. And I mean, I can just go like that, and I mean, it released that easily. So, I mean, I haven't seen much that was any plates that have been this good. I mean, I've used like the standard Ender V3 V2 glass plate. I've used PEI. I'm telling you, this is not a sponsored video by BigTreeTech, but get this plate. It is great. But that's all I got. Like, comment, do your thing.